Today we are going to do a phenomenal activity, and in this activity there are 7 team leaders or 8? 8 team leaders are there. They have 4 students with them, and they will select, pick up or may buy some products, and they'll have to explain about the products. Dear students, don't forget to add motivation related to that product. First speak about the product. After that, speak what does that product do for you, and at last add some motivation about that product. Okay, and winners will definitely get something, but not today, tomorrow. All right, thank you very much. Let's depart to the open area and outside of class for the first time maybe in many students life, कि बाहर जाकर के किसी चौक चौराहे पर क्लास को लेकर के, मतलब स्टूडेंट्स को लेकर के जाना, एंड देयर यू विल स्पीक समथिंग. इट्स कंप्लीटली न्यू एंड एक्साइटिंग एक्सपीरियंस. ऑल राइट, but for not everyone, for those who have fear, please stop it and let's enjoy today. Thank you very much. Watch the warning about again. Wait, don't run, don't run. चलो, okay. As you all know, I'm going to give you just 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, okay? Adjust. Everybody has to adjust well. Come this side, slightly this side, shift this side, okay? So I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Are you getting me? Yes. Just 5 minutes, okay? And in this 5 minutes, you need to select any one product, okay? And you will have to come in the center and you need to demonstrate the product. All right. So your time starts not now, because you will have to arrange this way. आते ही आप इसी तरीके से खड़े हो जाएंगे, and your time starts now. But your discipline is a must, as I discussed in the class. Okay, so come as fast as possible, but do it as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Your 5 minutes starts now. Just disperse and do whatever you want to do. Go. Every group.
Can I explain this?
So can you please clap for yourself? Okay. So if I call anybody, right, so you should not tell that I'm not ready. Okay. All right. So you must set the tone of today, and everybody has to speak their heart out. Don't worry who is watching you and who is thinking what about you. Right? Okay, let them think. Let them जोर से बोलिए. I want everybody should look at this side. What are these guys are going to doing actually? आपसे ज्यादा तो कॉन्फिडेंस वो मदारी वाले को होता है यार, नहीं होता है क्या? They have a lot of confidence. Students have no confidence. Okay, what is this? All right. So let's call the first team. First team will come here. All right. Complete team will come here, and the first person is Mr. Chandrajit. You want to come first? Wow, what a nice thing. Dipti ma'am wants to start the beautiful activity. Ma'am, come with your team. Come here. Okay. Oh wow! Surprising. Yes.
Is a daily use product
Okay.
which is very necessary for all over the world
Right.
for family.
Right.
Okay? And Bahab, try to say something.
Yeah.
Hello guys, I want to say something about this.
Yes.
This is a packet of milk. You know that it is
New
very
product.
important in our life.
Right.
It is a complete food. So we can, because of this, we can feed it to our children.
Also want to say that become like a milk.
Okay.
When it got rotten,
Huh.
it become more precious than milk, than
Yes.
its original form.
Right.
Okay? And
You understand what does she want to speak? She wants to speak. अगर दूध फट भी जाता दही बन जाता है, right?
Yeah.
And it's
more rotten than it become paneer, and more rotten that it become, you can make ghee with it.
ghee, right?
Yeah.
That's great. Okay. When a human being face a problem, he is already dead. Actually, right?
When a human
Yeah.
being has problem, then he don't challenge with his problem. But we like milk that he change his problem and become a useful thing after rotten.
Much more thing with this product. This is a product which is used in every day in your life. This we can make tea, coffee, and we also use with many product like food, mithai, and everything
Right.
with this, and sweet product.
Right. We start our day with
They
milk.
with milk.
Right.
Okay.
Drink milk and make your health.
Drink milk and make your health.
So it is her first
Milk
week
is the
and she
most
wants to
important
speak
in
something.
our life.
Right.
Milk is used every day. Child, younger, old. This milk. Milk is our important in my life.
Good. No energy, yeah. Speak with expression. Do not speak this much. Speak less, but express more. Speak less. यही आवाज है, एनर्जी आप लोगों की है. Very sad यार. 1, 2, 3, go. मतलब I need to remind you every time that you need to speak. What is this यार? You need to be very loud. Okay? Once again. 1, 2, 3, go. आपसे ज्यादा तो मैं अकेले बोल लेता हूँ यार. Speak less, but speak less, but express more. अरे यार कम बोलो लेकिन एक्सप्रेस ज्यादा करो. Next student I would love to call, and he is Mr. Kaf.
Without water, we cannot survive anywhere, anytime, any places.
Don't talk.
With the help of water, we make foods, we cook foods, we wash cars, we use water everywhere.
Everywhere.
Excellent.
Right.
Without food, we can survive 10 days, 15 days. But without water, we cannot survive in a day.
One day, right? Yeah.
A single day, even a single day, we cannot survive without water.
Right.
So water is used everywhere. If you are building your house, if you are making something at your home or out of your home, water is needed. Water is important. Water works. Water plays a big role of everywhere for everything. Okay, that's the. I want to pray for something to speak for my team members.
Water is more important for our life because without water you cannot eat our food. Without water you cannot survive in our every one day. Without water you cannot do anything.
That's
Just-
great. Great job. Great job. Express,
This water
express.
will,
I need expression. I need expression.
This
Yes,
water
please.
will create a tea.
Huh.
You need tea, very fresh green tea.
Okay, green tea, right?
Green
Green tea. बात
This
बदल
is-
दिया लड़के ने. Green tea, right?
Green tea.
Okay. All right.
And you need something for water, just like you need to eat vegetable. Vegetable gives water.
Oh, right. Right.
You create a very good food, just like our you looking like a banana tree.
Okay, okay. Continue.
He is a very he need very most water in our roots because no water he not survive in the world.
Right.
Every tree need water. Thank you for and that's my tea.
So this man takes water tea. Water tea, right? Yeah. Continue.
And,
Continue.
We pour water under
continue,
root.
continue.
Okay, we pour water under the tree. After that, tree grows up, and without water, surviving in anywhere, just like a desert area, you won't be able to find water. Then you will realize that then you will come to know that what is the importance of water. What is the importance of water? So don't take it lightly. Drink water. Drink more water.
Okay.
And take more breath.
Right. Done. Loud.
My dear friend, do you know what is this? Director.
What is this?
This is director.
Director. I don't know the name. I am the
Pan
director. Okay.
Pan Masala. I'm also a director. But this director quality is bad. This is injurious for our health. My dear friend, and his brand ambassador said premium quality.
Premium quality. Yes.
And he said rich refreshing taste.
Oh boy, साहब क्या बात है. That's nice.
Rich refreshing taste. What is this, bhai?
What is this?
Tobacco causes cancer, na?
Yeah.
Do you want to taste tobacco?
Do you want to test?
Do you want taste? Anyone taste?
No, give this man. Do you want to test? No, he doesn't want to test. You want to test? No, sir. Yes, he said yes. Okay, all right.
And his brand ambassador Rohit Shetty.
रोहित शेट्टी खतरों के खिलाड़ी
Rohit Shetty. Do you know Rohit Shetty?
Everyone knows यार.
Everyone knows.
Huh.
What a bad person who promote this product, yaar. This is tobacco, and this is artificial flavors.
Flavor is artificial, you know. It is not natural. All right.
Gentlemen,
Excuse me.
do you identify what is this product? Okay, this is a bamboo. So I want to tell something about first this bamboo. You know, as in daily life we use bamboo everywhere in making baskets, making
Right.
cups, and this is also the symbol of a strength and also flexible. So I want to say one thing. As a farmer started the bamboo tree in his farmland. 1 year passed, 2 year passed, and after that 3 to 4 year passed. But after just 4 year, in only 1 week, bamboo just sprouted to 80 to 90 feet.
80 to 90 feet. Okay, he measured
Every
it actually.
person laughed at him. Why you are carrying the bamboo?
Right.
If it is not giving you the fruits in 2 to 3 years or 4 years. But after the just 4 years, in only 1 week, it sprouted direct 90 feet.
90 feet. Yes. Well done. Very
So
well done.
I want to say, what do you have learned from this?
What did you learn from this? This is very important lesson actually.
See, this called the patience. When
Patience.
in life something and nothing seems to be happen in your life.
Yeah. Right.
When in life nothing seems to be happen in your life,
Happy.
you have to think that your root is going to build a strong.
Right, right. Well done. Very well done. If fruit is not coming, root is growing. Important lesson is this. Yes,
So
please.
be patient and grow in your life. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's done. Thanks a lot. Okay. Thank you. You want to speak about? Leave it. Okay. Thank you very much. It was the lesson actually. This was a great lesson actually. Every time we need fruit. We want fruits every time. Even a laborer gets his money in the evening. He has to work for 8 hours and after that he gets 600 rupees, 500 rupees. So you are a human being, the loveliest creature of Almighty God, right? So your wait time is bigger than other creatures' wait time. Okay, have patience and change your life. Okay, all right. Yes.
This is a notebook. This is a notebook because it is a very important in a student life. Without notebook, we cannot write anything.
Yes.
It is not very expensive, but we cannot buy because it is educational material. It makes with bamboo.
As you all have listened that one pen, one notebook and one teacher can change our life. It is very necessary for a student's life, and when an educated person takes this notebook, they also become an educated person because of this notebook. We can write many things in this notebook and we can educate ourselves, educate our surroundings also. Don't underrate this. Don't underrate this notebook because it can change many person's life, and it has changed many person's life. Nowadays you are seeing many personalities and very educational person that all have taught from teachers by this notebook. So we can learn many things by this notebook. Thanks.
This is notebook. We know this is notebook, and every people needs this notebook. Without notebook, we cannot educated. We cannot be educated. We cannot become a success woman, successful man. I think this notebook is very important for our life. Thank you so much.
You know that it can enhance our personality also. It is a daily use product. We use this and we become educated. If we are going anywhere, like from studying, if we don't take notebook, how we will write? We cannot write. So use this notebook and save this product.
Okay.
Don't tear these pages. Thanks.
All right. Okay, thank you very much for your beautiful words. Okay, ending the game now actually. Now they have started speaking about the motivation related to that product and what is that product. All right, so don't worry, it's your first time. Obviously there will be problems. Okay, there will be hesitation because it is the part of game. Okay, all right, so next student I would love to call, and they are from here. Okay,
I am here with an amazing product. Not this polythene, but inside this polythene.
can you guess
Can you guess?
what is there?
This is
Can I touch?
salt.
Oh,
Salt. Do you know how it's more important in our life? If we put more salt in our food, it will be bad taste. But if we keep less salt in our food, again it will give bad taste.
Yes.
So the perfect amount of salt is very important. In our life, salt is like happiness. If we will become more excitement, we are destroyed by our society. And if we will less excitement, we will destroy ourselves. Now I am talking about this salt. Why I am talking about this salt? Is there some importance of salt in our life? Yes. It is also known as common salt. And it is the part of chemistry, it is the part of political science, it is the part of home science.
It is a part of Gandhiji. It's a part of Gandhiji, right? Yeah.
This is salt and it is a part of political science. Why? because of Mahatma Gandhi. Namak Satyagraha.
Namak Satyagraha. Right.
Do you know, guys? My brother will tell about Namak Satyagraha.
Okay. Wow. Great job, yeah. Everybody, you know.
Hello, my dear friend. Do you know what is this? I hope you know. Gandhiji used to go to Dandri and break the celt at 1929.
Good job.
My dear friend, lack of a salt, you have anemia. You have a ghega, okay? Do you know a ghega? Yes?
Yes.
Salt is very important in our life.
Yeah.
You eat the food without salt and not tasty, okay?
Oh, it's not. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Do you want a tasteless life? Tell me. You want a test in his life? Please start, sir.
Guys.
Can you go slightly back?
Do you know,
Back that, sir. Can you go slightly back? Sir? Understand, huh?
if the amount of salt will increase in our body, we have to face high blood pressure. And if there will be lack of salt in our body, we will face blood pressure. No, the blood pressure will decrease
Low
in
blood
our
pressure.
body.
Yes.
Maintain the salt,
Maintain the level of
salt in your body, and maintain the happiness of salt in your life. Thank you so much for supporting our team.
Thank you. Well, Prodicious performance. Your preparation was excellent, actually.
As you can see this, it looks very small, but it has a lot of dark side. Everyone thinks that is very lightweight, we can use it, but no one knows that how many dark side it has. You know, it is one of the most undecomposable things on earth. We create it, but we can't decompose it. Maybe it is very beneficial because it is very cheap, but we can't decompose it because it takes 50 to 100 years, as scientists say, to decompose one particle of plastic. And it is more dangerous than plastic. No one knows this.
No one knows this. Only Shivam knows it, right?
Thermocol. No, sir. Everyone knows this. Who have education.
Okay, all
who
right.
are active for their society. But our people don't know. Who are the part of society. And I want my partners to explain some also good sides of it.
No, sir. Done. No problem. Let it be.
This
What is this?
very dirty, yaar.
Very dirty.
Very dirty.
No.
And my brother.
Okay.
It's used in our home, and this is very dirty, but I clean it, and
I clean it.
it's used everywhere, and its product have no weight,
No way.
and it is very useful, and it is harmful, but it is very useful.
That's good. Thank you very much.
I want to tell you one thing. Maybe there is also one learning thing from this thing. Maybe this frequent changing world, you won't fit, but you can learn from this thing. Maybe you have a lot of dark side. Maybe you are not fit. But if you have one skill which no one can achieve, you are the fittest in the world. No one can ignore you. If you have something which no one can get. So thanks, guys.
Thank you very much. Nikki ma'am's group, and ma'am wants to speak again. Actually, इतना प्यारा product था, तो she wants to speak again. All right. Excuse me. Whenever you speak in front of any new crowd, apply one rule. Just one rule. Be calm, be composed, and speak. Do not be excited too much, okay? Take your time, relax, and explain. See the product. If you are missing the points, the product will give you a lot of points. All right. So let's call Dipti ma'am once again with her team. Okay, Nikki ma'am, with your.
Everyone knows what is this. This is a plant, and it is also a living thing. It grows, it takes food and breed also. It gives us grains, flowers, leaves, and many more things.
Right.
We can make from this plant many more things just like house, boat, furnitures, and we can decorate from its flowers and also plants.
Right, we can decorate it. The best decoration. Natural decoration.
Natural decoration.
Yeah.
It gives us flowers. From these flowers, we can make perfume and garlands.
Perfume and garlands, that's good. Okay.
And it is also a natural jari buti.
Natural jari buti.
Medicine. It gives us medicines.
Yes.
Just like
Give
tulsi.
this medicine to her, she will eat it. Okay, yeah.
And now she wants to.
All right, protect it. This is your life, okay? Protect it, all right? Yeah.
You know, it gives us shadow.
Shadow.
You know, it gives us shelter for animal.
Right.
You know, it gives us house bird.
Right.
You know, something I want to tell you. You must like a tree. Even weather is bad, it's grow. Even people cut their branch, it's grow. Thank you.
Thank you. That's it. Take it. Either one. Come this way. She wants to speak. Oh, very nice. You're the first week. Just first week. All right. Show acting. Show action. Show action. Show activity.
It is a tree, and everywhere important their life, and he makes fruits, vegetables, and make a building and furniture and everywhere. It is very natural things, and not and don't and everywhere population we are cutting a tree.
Right. We should not cut the tree seriously.
You don't cut a tree, and everywhere life very important tree. And tree is observe carbon dioxide and every human provide oxygen, and human life very useful oxygen. Without oxygen we cannot survive our life.
Perfect. The team is working.
And
She's not a
everywhere request guys, you don't cut tree.
Don't cut tree.
Yeah. The tree, and this is everywhere life important. Without tree cannot amazing life.
Yes.
Plants gives us a big lesson. Be strong, because tree is also a strong living things.
Thank you. Did you see it? How beautifully she explained about the tree. Normally we gift many different types of things on anyone's birthday, wedding anniversaries, and on many different occasions. So from today onwards, take an oath, present plants, present trees as the gift, and this is the gift of life actually. All right. तो आज के बाद आप किसी को गिफ्ट देंगे, किसी की शादी में बुके लेके जाते हो, 500 रुपये 1000 रुपये बर्बाद करते हो, एक सेकंड के लिए वो झूठी हंसी मुस्कुराते हैं और वो फोटो क्लिक होता है और उसका तो फेंक देते हैं. राइट और रॉन्ग? इट हैज नो लाइफ. तो आज से यू मस्ट गिफ्ट एनीवन स्पेशल, just plants. Okay, all right, plant more trees and save the environment. Thank you very much. And the last group is coming. You're
Thank
done.
you, sir, giving us a good idea.
This is good. कर दीजिएगा एक plant. Okay, all right. So on camera she is accepting that. She is going to gift SMB English a beautiful green plant. All right. Okay, so ma'am is coming now. Okay.
Guys, why are we here today?
Why are we here today?
we are going to a new start. But you know, your day is starting with this with a great energy. When you drink it, you got energy for the whole day. Okay.
Yes.
And this is the product which is used in everyday life.
Everyday life. Yeah, everyday
Okay.
life. From your first day on the earth.
From the first day when you come to the earth, you drink it. The mother milk.
Yes.
Will you survive without the mother milk? This is a necessary and a medicine like for a child. The first day of milk, a mother, is a medicine for a children.
Medicine for a child, seriously.
Right. Okay. And you can start your day and your life with it.
Right.
Become like a milk. When you buy milk, it is only cost 50 rupees.
Right.
When you buy curd, which is made from milk, it is increased with their price. And when it got rotten, it become paneer, which is also more pricier than milk. When it gotten more rotten, you can make ghee from it. This is much pricier than milk. So you need milk, but you should also make like a milk.
Thank you. Now I think we need to. What happened? अरे यार क्या मजाक चल रहा है यार? He wants to speak again.
Yes, sir.
But इसके बाद मैं किसी को चांस देने वाला नहीं हूँ. This is final, okay? Sorry for that because everybody wants to speak, okay?
Again, I am telling, what is this?
What is this? Pan masala.
Pan masala.
Favorite product of.
And
Everybody have it.
you know, advertisement person said, why युवाओं का दिलवाग गुटका लवर, युवाओं का पसंद डायरेक्टर,
Right.
युवाओं का पसंद डायरेक्टर.
Yuva I don't like. I'm very much Yuva. I don't like this actually. Yeah.
Bhai, can you eat?
I cannot.
Why? Why?
Because it's very
It's
But-
free. It's free.
But Rohit Shetty said na युवाओं का पसंद डायरेक्टर.
Every celebrity is always promoting this. But
Why?
You know what? Why don't take it in herself?
Why we support every celebrity? My dear friend, luxury chewing tobacco. Why luxury?
It is luxury.
No.
It's cheap.
It is cheap, very cheap, yaar. You know very well कि can I will chew the gutka, then I will dead.
I will die.
You will also know. So lastly, I just want to say no tobacco. So say no tobacco. Say no to life. My dear friend, thank you.
Thank you very much. So इसको लेके कहाँ जा रहे? Excuse me. He is not throwing it. He is taking it. Throw it here. What is this? Throw it here. This is very sad. So dear students, it was a very new experience for you and for me as well. Before trying to come here, everybody was having some trepidation, some palpitations and some fear and some hesitation. But after coming to this place, now you see you don't have any problems, okay? You have no fear and you saw the support from everybody. A lot of people were watching you from the roadside, okay? So let's make the environment comfortable for English everywhere. Everybody must speak English outside, inside, everywhere, okay? On the road, on the chalk, on the choraha, wherever you want to speak English, and let's make the environment comfortable for this beautiful language for everyone in Bihar and Begusarai. Now, everyone in Begusarai will speak English with SMB English. So, dear new viewers, okay, I request you to subscribe my channel and spread this beautiful initiative by SMB English, because your likes and comment give me courage to do better next time somewhere else. Thank you very much. Okay.